3 genes respond to external environment, diet, and exercise. The importance of lifestyle. According to the Lalonde Report from the Canadian Department of Health, the factors determining our health are as follows. Medical services 8%, genetic factors 20%, environmental factors 20%, and personal lifestyle habits 51%. Personal lifestyle habits account for the largest proportion at 51%, while genetic factors are only 20%. The substances that regulate genes are called the epigenome. The epigenome is a substance that attaches like a cap on top of DNA and regulates gene expression, with methyl groups and acetyl groups being especially key to turning the gene switch on and off. Our environment, age, and especially food and exercise are powerful tools to regulate this epigenome. Food and the gene switch. Food governs genes in 2 ways. First, methyl group supply. Consuming foods rich in methyl groups like folic acid and vitamin B12 can promote the methylation off of cancer genes, helping prevention. Conversely, a deficiency increases the risk of cancer. Second, blocking inhibitors of gene expression. Processed foods and food additives interfere with gene expression, causing only negative genes to be turned on, increasing the risk of aging and chronic diseases. Exercise is also a powerful epigenetic treatment. Aerobic strength and stretching exercises help normalize DNA methylation regulation. The living environment also affects gene expression. Social, political, and economic stress affects the epigenome. The miracle of Dr. Dean Ornish. Dean Ornish, who was President Clinton's physician, proved that genes can be changed through lifestyle changes alone. Prostate cancer patients who practiced his program low-fat diet, exercise, stress management, social support experienced changes where genes promoting cancer cell growth were turned off and anti-cancer genes were turned on. In particular, the study found an increase in the activity of telomerase, an enzyme that reverses aging, showing that the right lifestyle can govern even aging. The 4 things he prescribed to patients were 1. A diet centered on whole grains, vegetables, fruits and nuts. 2. Walking for over 30 minutes. Daily. 3. 1 hour of meditation daily, and 4 weekly counseling with the attending physician. Here is some good news for cancer patients, based on the story of wild pigs and domestic pigs. Domestic pigs originated from a genetic modification of wild pigs. So, which is faster, a wild pig becoming a domestic pig or a domestic pig reverting to a wild pig? A domestic pig reverting to a wild pig is much faster. According to research reports, domestic pigs develop the tusks of a wild pig within 3 to 4 generations. Similarly, is it faster for a normal cell to transform into a cancer cell or for a cancer cell to revert to a normal cell? It is faster for a cancer cell to recover to a normal cell. It takes at least 10 years for a normal cell to transform into a cancer cell. But it does not take a long time for a cancer cell to recover to a normal state. Through lifestyle habits and the environment, cancer can be naturally healed quickly